Good evening and welcome to Bizworld. The International Trade and Industry Ministry MITI is finalizing the cost-benefit analysis or CBA documents for the ratification of the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership CPTPP. The documents are expected to be finalized in the coming weeks. The CPTPP is a free trade agreement that confers preferential treatment to its members, with 11 countries that have signed the agreement, including Malaysia. However, Malaysia has yet to ratify the trade deal. Malaysia remains a signatory country along with Brunei and Chile, but does not enjoy preferential tariff rates offered in the agreement. Until the ratification process is fulfilled, Malaysia is accorded observer status and does not have any right to block any decision made with regard to enforcement of the agreement. Bursa Malaysia's foreign shareholding fell to its lowest on record at 14.5% last December. According to the latest updates on the Bursa's website, foreign shareholding fell further from 15.1% in November last year. Based on the chart, the local bourse recorded its highest foreign shareholding of 28.6% back in March 2018. Bursa is scheduled to release its financial results for the fourth quarter ended December 31st last year on the 28th of this month. Despite an encouraging pickup in demand for properties in 2021, RHB Investment Bank has maintained a neutral or cautious view for the sector in 2022, as it foresees a choppy road to recovery. Some negative headwinds may hinder the continued recovery in property sales as well as earnings growth. These include a resurgence of COVID-19 daily tally or emergence of new variants, high levels of building material prices, a potential overhang among property stocks ahead of the general election, and earlier than expected interest rate increase. For this year, the firm expects property sales to grow by 10 to 15% year on year. However, the first quarter of 2022 will likely be weak as the government had not extended the home ownership campaign. The telecommunications industry is set on a neutral call following the government's decision to review its 5G network rollout model. Maybank Investment Bank, on a note, said the outcome of the review could have material longer-term implications to mobile telecommunication providers. While the move to a single government-owned 5G wholesale network was inevitable, the Communications and Multimedia Ministry surprised the market last December to review its 5G position, with a decision to be made this month. The 5G incumbent Digital Nasional is already trialling 5G services with Yes and TM in Putrajaya, Cyberjaya and selected areas in Kuala Lumpur. Maybank IB added such policy flip-flop invariably paints the country's policy-making in a bad light. As the government is still dealing with a flood situation, there might be a delay in the review outcome. As such, the policy uncertainty would likely weigh on sentiments in the near term. And that's all for Bizworld today. I'm Raymond. Keep tuning in to TV3.